Hi guys, this one is going to be short and sweet. So if you're like us and do a lot of screen records for videos, being able to easily get them off your controller is an essential step in our workflow in creating the videos. But unfortunately, it's not as straightforward in the RC2 than other controllers like the RC Pro. But I'm going to show you how to do it in both. Now before we start though, you're going to want to have a spare micro SD card handy and insert it into the bottom of the controllers. So first, the RC Pro. Now you want to access the main system interface, and you can do this by pressing the back arrow on the face of the controller at the top left until you get to this screen. Next, press on the Files icon and make sure that the internal storage is selected. Then you want to look for the Movies folder. Then click on that. And this is where all your screen records are located. Now you can press any of them to watch. Here we go. And then once you've found the one that you want, simply press down and hold onto them. And you can select multiple ones if you want. And then you want to go up to the three dots on the top right here. And then you want to select either copy to or move to. Now copy to is basically going to leave a copy on the internal storage. If you select move to, it's going to move all those screen records across. So next, once you press, we're just going to go copy to, go up to the top left here, and you want to select the SD card that you have inserted. Then simply select the folder you want to copy or move these to and press the blue button. And there you go, they are transferring. Now to just check the progress on that, you can swipe down from the top and see here, it's telling us the progress. And then once that's done, you now have those screen records saved onto your SD card. And you can simply take out the SD card and pop it into your computer. Okay, now on to the RC or RC2 process. Now, as I mentioned, this one is a little bit more complicated. So first thing you want to do on the main menu screen here is you want to slide down twice and you want to go up to this little cog icon on the very top right. Now, once we press on that, it's going to take us to the system menus. Now what we want to do now is find the screen record internally that is saved in the storage. So find where it says storage, just here. Click on that. Now this is the important part. Instead of navigating to photos and videos where you think this should be, instead go to music and audio. Now click on audio. Now because of the way that this Android system works, as there is no data in this folder, it will take you to a root folder structure where you can now access more assets. So next, navigate up to the top left where this stacked menu is. And from here, you can select the videos. Then next you want to select movies, and boom, there are your screen records. Now, if you can't see them there, just click on the This Week filter, and that should allow the most recent ones to filter through. Find the one you want, press and hold, and the next step is pretty much the same as the RC Pro. Press the three dots on the top right, select either copy to or move to, and then you want to go up to the little stacked icon here, select your SD card, and then navigate to where you want to copy or move, and then just press the blue button. Then simply wait for your transfer to complete, and boom, screen records of your controller are now on your SD card. All right guys, that's it. If you want to know everything there is to know about drone video, please check out our drone video masterclass in the description below. Happy flying.